So there are a couple of ways of trying to find the length. You can use a piece of paper, the edge. You can use a thread, you can use pair of compass. So we decided to use a piece of paper with a pencil. So you go round. Yeah. So we are trying to measure the length of that road, which is D435 on the map of Nyeri. So basically that's what is happening. So from the zero mark ya kilometers,
alafu unafika mahali imefikia hii, unaona haijafika hivi vizuri.
Yeah, so it's 7.
So unamakia hapa kwa 7. Alafu imebaki na kuja unaweka hapa kwa 9.
So for the meters, yeah, we get 7.9. Alternatively, use a ruler as this. So our map of Nyeri had a scale which was 1 centimeter on the map represents 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground. So I want to know how many kilometers really are there in 1 centimeter on the map. So we use Kenya has DAG, many dams containing magic as our mnemonic, where the Kenya will stand for kilometer, has for hectometer, DAG for decameter, many for meters, dams for decimeters, containing for centimeters, and magic for millimeters. So like here, if it was we know that 1 centimeter will contain 10 millimeters. Just stamp there and you know it's 10. Okay, so I wanna see how many centimeters are there in 1 kilometer. So star, another second star, another one there, and there, and there. So we'll take our 50,000. So it's actually, yeah, 50,000 divided by 100,000 to get 0.5 kilometers. When we measured on our map, we found that we had the length of that road being 15.8 centimeters. So we need to convert it into kilometers as per the question. So it would be, if 1 centimeter is equivalent to 0.5, what about 15.8? So it would be 15.8 times 0 times 0.5 kilometers over 1 centimeter. Yeah, so the centimeters will cancel out and you shall have 15.8 and 0.5 to give you 7.9 as shown here. Okay, so this is 7.9 kilometers. Simple. So it's up to you. If you don't have a ruler, you can use the one that has been provided on the linear scale on that map. So I hope you've understood, and yeah, keep subscribing and join the community to enjoy more vibes, more knowledge, more content. Bye.